was telling, sometimes while playing with himself or pretend play, तो वहाँ पे भी वो कभी कभार वॉइस मॉड्यूलेशन रहता है मैम. सो काइंडली सजेस्ट मी कि मैम व्हाट शुड आई डू. या तो जब हम कभी बाहर कहीं पड़े से होते हैं, अच्छा नमस्ते कैसे हैं आप, so this kind of voice modulation he does. So please suggest me ma'am, what should I do? Thank you so much.
Amazing thing, Vandana. See, this kind of imitation of adult voices, imitation of adults in all the way, इट्स अ टॉडलर फेज़. जैसे ही बच्चा थोड़ा टॉडलर से बाहर चला जाता है, वो ऐसी एक फ़ेज़ है बिटवीन टॉडलर एंड एडोलेसेंस के बीच की, जब जहाँ पर द चाइल्ड फील्स लाइक एनैक्टिंग like an adult, so that he will gain that respect or people will start listening to him. What he is super duper intelligent child, okay Vandana, and he is sensing that whatever my father speaks, mama listens. Whatever my father talks to me, I have to listen. Then why not I should become a father and talk on his behalf? And this is the thing that is doing, Purab is doing right now. Purab is really developing very well, and these are very subtle deep, I will say deep developmental milestones कि जिसके तरफ हम कभी ध्यान नहीं देते. ऐसे फेज़ आ जाती है, चले जाती है, नॉर्मली टिपिकली डेवलपिंग चिल्ड्रन में भी, बट वी डोंट पे अटेंशन टू दैट. Here we will not at all, you should ignore. Soumya has directed you very well. You should ignore. You should not glorify it, but let him do that. Okay, let him do. So it's okay. ओके, सिर्फ ऐसा कि पापा जैसे क्यों बात कर रहे हो, डोंट टॉक लाइक फादर, ऐसे बिल्कुल मत करो. ये फेज़ है दैट ही वंस ही विल स्टार्ट नोइंग दैट कि मैं ऐसे आवाज़ में बोल कर भी पापा जैसे इफ आई एम टॉकिंग, देन ऑल्सो आई हैव टू डू माई वर्क. Mama is not giving me any leverage. She is not giving any, you can say, concession of my work or something, but she is getting it done. You can give a nice smile to him when he is enacting. You can even rather enact like father, but just make it very live. Ignore का sense क्या है? Why Soumya has told you ignore कि don't glorify, means don't go on correcting the things कि ऐसे मत बोलो, वैसे मत बोलो, ऐसे मत करो. So that way ignorance is good. But suppose अच्छा आप आ गए, तो दैट यू ऑल्सो कैन इमिटेट द सेम थिंग एंड यू कैन, हाँ हम आ गए पापा, तो पापा जैसे बात कर रहे हो, एक्सेल, वेरी गुड वेरी गुड. ऐसे करके थोड़ा सा करो. ये फेज़ है, ये चला जाएगा. ओके, समथिंग लाइक दैट. बट इट्स अ वेरी, I mean, I'm really happy to say this. Amazingly, this is happening with one of our Arula stars, that he is achieving those milestones. Or every Arula superstar will achieve these kind of deep developmental milestones. But we have to be vigilant enough, giving them that opportunity, giving them that room of thought process. Should not restrict. Just make them open. Okay, just leave them open, very openly. Always a mother, always a father. Your role is to act like an open window for your child. Okay, you are inside or the child is inside, or when you open the window, the rain comes, the sunlight comes, the breeze comes. So everything child has to experience on his own. We can't go on giving him all the you can say corrections and prompting and all. Don't, just get out of it. Conventional therapy methods में, when you go on doing this prompting, corrections, asking questions, bombardment on the child will respond to a little extent, this much. What about that big chunk which he has within himself? Give that space, okay, to express himself. And just be very good observant of your child. It's not that you have to talk a lot, you have to go on engaging the child the whole day. Just be there. Those 2 minutes, I always say, Arula में mother-child session, father-child session, Ajji and the grandson session, Azoba or Dada and Dada-Dadi or grandson session, or anybody who is loving the child with them, they have to just spend those 2 minutes with the child, with some activity, with some concept, with just some, getting connected and bonded. So that is very important, and I think that is the thing that you should do. Okay, let us move to the next question. I'm sorry, I'm little under the weather. This is the third week, but my cough is not going. I don't know. It just disturbs.
Hello, ma'am. This is Yuvan's mom. He's 5 years old. We are from Mumbai. My question is, we had been to a pediatric neurologist last month for a second opinion, and they said he is moderate in the spectrum. But she suggested us two medicines to reduce his hyperactivity, and she left the choice to us parents. If you want to give the child, you can give, and once his hyperactivity reduces, he'll focus better, etc. But as a mother and being a doctor myself, I'm not fully convinced about giving medication. It just doesn't feel right. What are your thoughts on medications to reduce the ADHD component in an autistic child? Thank you.
See, I'm telling you, Mahananda, you are a doctor by yourself. And to be honest, I am not a doctor. But having 23 years experience in this field, treating children with autism, I can definitely say that if his hyperactivity, your child's hyperactivity is such that it is creating nuisance and difficulties in two main areas. One is sleeping pattern and second is eating pattern of the child. If these two are getting severely hampered, that means if you are not getting sleep, you are as a mother, child is not sleeping in the night and you are not getting a quiet sleep for at least 6 hours at a stretch, 6 to 7 hours at a stretch, then in that case, immediately start with the medicines, because Arula is something, it's a therapeutic approach. It is going to show us results. But before that, little, you can say, vigorous, this thing we have to bear, because for me, has to be there, because for me, child kya hai, he will not sleep in the night, he will complete his sleep in the daytime. Children are like that. They see to it that they are getting. But then it affects the productivity of the child also. And the meltdowns, the hyperactivity, the behavioral concerns, sensory concerns, they go on increasing if the sleep is not there. If you are thinking that, yes, and of course on your health also it matters a lot. If you are not getting a sleep in the night, how will you work with the child? एक दिन अगर हमें नींद नहीं आती है, होती है, थोड़ा ज़्यादा हम जाग जाते हैं, सुबह जल्दी उठ जाते हैं, तो हमें ऐसे थोड़ा ये लगने लगता है, what do you call, ऐसे डिस्टर्ब लगने लगता है. दैट एंथुजियाज्म, दैट मोटिवेशन you will not get. Okay, and that is so now you are saying, Nanda is saying she doesn't have sleep, and then I will always say that just for some hyperactivity we should not go ahead. If the child is getting good sleep and eating habits are good, then we will just therapeutically treat. Okay, then there is no need. When there is an chaos with respect to these two, सबको मैं बोल रही हूँ, chaos with these two things, then medicines for the short duration of period is required. They are antipsychotics, sometimes risperidone and all are given to the children, which are not really good, okay, for their health, okay. But at the same time, health of the mother, health of the child, physical health is also very important. So for short duration of period, you can stick to the medicines, but you see to it that जैसे अरुला में बढ़ते जाता है आगे आगे, तो I'm really happy to say that we have treated इतने बच्चे हुए हैं, I think around more than 1,000 children. इसमें से majority of children, they are either out of medicine now, and either they have, even if they are there are very, very minimal standard dosage. So I think you give some this thing, and if you are disturbed at this point of time and you feel that child should have been little quiet and all, start with the medicine, give it for a short duration of time, and then gradually taper the dosage. Okay, so we have finished today with our questions. Okay, so now, yes, anything to be discussed? Anything, mom, or something to share? Something I have decided that after Q&A also I will sit here for some time, some more time. And here I don't want to. I want to listen. Ki what positivity is going on, or what positive things are going on at your end. How are you feeling? How the things are going? How you can say? Are you absorbing Arula as a whole? And certainly something good news to share from your end. I'm waiting for it. Or anything else that any question or something like that I can. So like that, as one question I actually wanted to ask all the mothers. How many any one of you, like so many mothers are watching this thing, and any mother, any child who is attending special school right now in Arula? Means I get to know from ACTs, but I just was special school, completely a special this thing, only autistic children or maybe some all kind of neurodivergent children and all. So Dipti's bachcha is using special school. Okay, Dipti. Anybody else? I think Dipti is, I think, recently developed. Om is in special school. Okay. Nanda is saying Yuvan will be enrolled in special school. Okay. And who is giving this decision to put the child? Acha, in New Zealand. Okay, you will be moving. Okay. So, one good news I wanted to share with you all, that we are starting with our first, I will say, Arulas, the school prep center. The concept behind it is very important to understand. Many times many podcasts are conducted with me. People come and talk about podcasts. And in that podcast, you have seen the podcast videos of mine. The question is, when it is asked, special school, this thing for autistic children, situation for autistic, and I strongly oppose. And I say there is no need for special schools for our children who are on pure autism zone, or they are pure autistic children. They just don't require. And once I make this statement, list of negative reactions, the criticism comes to me. They say that this lady is crazy, she is absurdly talking, and how can you say that these children are not ready for they are not required, special schools are not required, rather the mainstream schools are not adjusting, they are not accepting the children, and a lot of things. Yes, issues are there, definitely. When I talk about mainstream school, I strongly believe that every child of mine, okay, should be going to a mainstream school, and there are reasons behind it. There are strong evidences which I have why mainstream school. In special school, you go to see that whole day child is there in the special school. There are children of his age or maybe younger, older, or together, but they all have issues with them, okay, speech issues and all. So you can imagine the chaos that the child is going through, what input the child is getting throughout the day. Okay, no doubt, he is getting therapies, he is getting that, but that is not our aim. See, I always say, as a mother of a child who is on spectrum, I don't want to create separate society for my child. You agree to me? If you agree to me, just type it. And anybody else who is wanting a separate society for the child, they also can type. But as a mother, every super mom is something like that, we don't want to create separate society for our kids. Rather, the world is beautiful. People are good in the world. Only in these things, we have to make our child that capable that he will or she will easily merge with the world. You are getting my point? And this merging comes, and if that merging, if I'm aiming, and then if I'm giving my 5-year-old or 10-year-old these situations surrounding of a special school, will he be able to merge with the real world outside anyhow? Absolutely not. You may spend 5 years, 10 years in special school, and then again a separate society is created. Tomorrow people will say, now put your child in a residential school where everything is governed by neurotypical people. Okay? And the child is there in this thing, school, or maybe the residential resource or something like that. See, these things we don't want. Our children are gifted ones. I'm really telling you. That's why when I received those kind of criticism past 1 year, I think, then it gives me immense pleasure to announce that under my supervision, under my involvement and vigilance in Mumbai, we are starting with our Arula's first school prep center. Means what? Preparing the child. It's completely based on Arula approach. This kind of school prep center that we are starting in this thing, and it is going to be a very vigorously training will be given to the child. Vigorous training in the sense what? The child is, suppose I give an example, a mother from Bangalore, if she decides ki okay, is going to be minimum 1 year long structured duration again for the child with championship online and offline is together combination. Every day some hours child will be spending, okay, child will be spending in the center, and the entire focus is on listening skills development and school preparation. Okay, tomorrow if after 6 months or after 1 year if I want my child to get admitted in the mainstream school, there should not be adjustments, much adjustments from then from the school point of view. Okay, from the school point of view there is a much adjustments that child has to do, and there will be no rejections from the school. So we are prepared. So it is a minimum duration is 1 year, but depending on the severity of the child, suppose child is 5-year-old and very very severe on spectrum, then it goes with the desired period that the child requires. So minimum 1 year, you all know why 1 year, because for me sky is the limit. The child should be able to the subjects, the book handling, the writing skills, reading skills, performance skills, stage performance skills, everything we are going to this thing and there, now I will invite the questions. Soumya will immediately read out the questions for me, what all mothers are asking, and that is there. When suppose a center time is 11 to 8, I am just giving you, your child will be given a slot, and there are Arula trained therapists, Arula care therapists who are basically masters in clinical psychology or neuropsychology and trained under Arula approach, under me, under the vigilance for a desired period of time. They will be appointed, and it's going to be completely 1:1, except for certain social situations that we are going to merge the children, and those activities are going to held in a different setup, like a banquet hall or maybe something like that. So lot of things I am planning. The way I have nurtured Devahuti in person, I will be nurturing every child who is coming for the school prep center. And there is, I will say, it is going to be, I will not say like opportunity for every this thing, but I am saying ki suppose even if you are outside and you are a Arula super mom, you are already doing things with your child, or maybe we are contacting their mothers are contacting us who have already graduated, who have done 1 year long course with us, they want to enroll. There are going to be limited seats definitely, because as you know मयूरी रामदासी एक ही है, मेरे ऐसे माँ दुर्गा जैसे 18 हाथ नहीं है. तो जितना हो सके उतना try to get in touch with your ACTs to know more about the things. And once the parents are interested in the school prep center, I will group them together and I will be holding an interactive Google Meet with them. We will give them a clear-cut idea, realistic idea कि how exactly the things are going to work. School prep center is not an excuse for the mothers कि now बच्चे को छोड़ दिया हो गया. नहीं, mother is important, she has to be there, or father or some caretaker from the home, it has to be there who is working with the child at home. So that way it is going to be very strictly designed and very fun going and no pressure. I am assuring you that every child will enjoy Mayuri auntie's presence over there, and they will progress at the same time. Now Soumya, just quickly tell me the questions that we have received. Now mothers are asking few questions.
Yes, ma'am. So the first question that Nanda has asked or she has mentioned is, ma'am, there are no mainstream schools in New Zealand don't accept kids with neurodivergent. They need to meet some criteria for enrollment. So again, here, is there any criteria or anything that might be there?
No, if Nanda is moving, I think Nanda was there in Mumbai, in India, na, for some time.
Yes.
Samay,
Yes, yes.
is she your case?
No. She's Sumukhi ma'am's
Case. Okay.
client.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So Nanda is her mother, matlab Saumukhi's parent. Okay.
Correct.
So yes. Now what we can do, if she has decided, Nanda, if you have decided ki to move to New Zealand, then what I feel ki, see the atmosphere over there. How it is in special school, because sometimes it is different than what Indian scenario is there, but somewhere it is same all over the world, that a lot of prompting, lot of correction, and once to is speech therapy, then occupation. Again you are getting into that vicious cycle of visual seeking methods. So rather I will feel ki, if at this point of time you can take the decision, I can just take a break of maybe 1 year or something, and I can relocate in Mumbai, and under Mayuri ma'am's vigilance I will train my child. I'll prepare him such a way that he is easily getting merged next year in the mainstream school. Okay, so definitely then you are welcome. But if you have really decided if you are moving only to New Zealand, then I will prefer you see the special school situations and all, and then take a decision gradually, that don't engage him for the whole day long some program, just let him be there for half day, and then you work with the child at home. Okay, and if your decision is going to be, can be reversible, okay, to then stay back in India and under my vigilance improve your child, for preparing your child for the academics. See, I'm telling you, preparing the child for the school, that means you are achieving all the parameters of Arula. That means you are getting your child out of autism zone in a desired period of time. So that's the ultimate aim, is a good education. Ultimate aim is academics and everything. But only academics is not writing and reading. There are so many things, personality of the child that we need to develop, which is going to be fit for the school. Okay. Yes, next question.
Yes, ma'am. Will there be an age limit for the admission in the school?
So long, 2 years till 16 years we have kept the criteria. 2 to 16. Okay. 2-year-old baby is also involved, because maybe by 3 years or 4 years we have to admit him in a school, a mainstream school, successfully, not as a struggler. Okay, that is, and that's why it is completely offline. So I'm not saying that championship program is going on, so it's an addition to that, once mother is already in championship program, and in addition that, so 24/7 that support Arula will be giving to you. There are going to be ACTs also assigned. There will be a treating therapist, that is on-site therapist, offline therapist. There will be a global head on you, and there will be ultimately myself. So 4 to 5 people are already engaged in one child for that year-long course. Okay. Yes. Next question.
Yes. What will be the location of the school?
Location is Mumbai, Matunga. Okay.
Yeah.
And yes. Next question. Anybody else?
Yeah. मॅम हे ऑनलाईन असेल का? There.
Online nice. Online आपला already चालू आहे ना. We have already going on online, which will rather it's a ulta this thing. People first start with offline centers and then they promote online treatment this thing. But Mayuri ma'am is always ulta. उसका दिमाग हमेशा उल्टा ही चलता है. मतलब पहले online successful किया all over the globe. Online I made successful. Now my aim is बच्चे settle हो रहे. So now I will start with an offline, so that direct touch, very good academic focus, and children are ready for the school. There is one example I want to give you. There was a child, Sanidhya was his name, from Kulu Manali, and I had given him 3 months ka training. Okay, the mother child and the child was there. I had given him in person 3 months training, and that child, the mother was at the same time asking, he was about to get rejected from the school, or regular school, and that time they found Arula, and 3 months of rigorous training. 3 months mean I think 6-7 months. I'm sorry, 6-7 months of rigorous training, Arula approach implementation and all in person. The child not only got adjusted well in the school, but the parents were asking me, Abhi isko should I put him in a CBSE board or ICSE board? So you can imagine, correct way of, I always say that there is no need of any kind of autism specific teaching material, autism specific teaching methodologies, nothing. नॉर्मल स्कूल में जाके, रेगुलर स्कूल में जाके बच्चा सब बच्चों के साथ बैठ के अच्छा अचीव कर सकता है, लेकिन उसके लिए थोड़ा पिच, आई विल ऑलवेज से पिच वर्क, द बेस वर्क. एक बिल्डिंग बांधने के लिए हमें पहले प्लिंथ डालना पड़ता है, बेस. वो प्लिंथ इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, वो मैं तैयार करूँगी हर बच्चे के लिए. दैट प्लिंथ इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. ओके, सो दैट विल बी अ वेरी गुड स्टार्ट ऑफ हिज एकेडमिक्स वेर एवर इज गो. आई डोंट वॉन्ट एक डिजायर्ड पीरियड ऑफ टाइम यू आर स्पेंडिंग विथ मयूरी मैम, उसके बाद गो बैक, घर के पास का जो भी स्कूल है, अच्छा स्कूल है, गेट हिम एडमिटेड. I will be providing the certificates also, will be providing that letter also of recommendation, the child is fit for mainstream education, and we will be working. और उसके बाद भी काम चलेगा अपना कि how the adjustments are going on in the school. Okay, that vigilance I will be having. Next question please.
Yes, and what will be the timing of the school?
Timing is school, it's not a school. Again I am telling, it's a school prep center. I am not opening any school, okay? Because I don't want any special school for the child. I am against it. So it's a school prep center. Prep ka meaning hai preparation. Everywhere the child is given, and this, some children are given 2 hours at a stretch, that one thing. Some children are 1 hour. Okay, and it's like a center where the focus is preparing the child for the school, and that way. So timing is, maybe center is open from 11 to 8 or 10 to 7, but your slot will be given, your child will be given a slot, and then that way we will be working on those slots. Okay, yes, next question please.
Yes, what about the children who are in Pune, not possible to come to Mumbai because of jobs and everything?
Abhi, how can I say anything about it? Mayuri Ramdasi madam cannot be having one roof in one form in Mumbai at the same time existing in, वो दैवी शक्ति नहीं है ना मुझ में कि I can be able to do that. So I am not in a plan of any kind of branches or something, because my presence is very important. Okay, over there my presence is very important. Right now तो I am not thinking about any branches. When something in future works out, 2-3 साल के बाद देख लेंगे, लेकिन as of now I am always saying, if you can give this thing, 1 year I want to dedicate for my child to get on track with everything, and you can adjust the things at your end, you are relocating in Mumbai or something like that, then take it ahead, and I am telling you, you will go back with abundance of happiness. Okay, so any more questions are remaining, Soumya?
Yes ma'am, what is the fee structure, how does it look like?
It depends, I am telling you, those things I will be discussing only when the parents are thoroughly interested. You have spoken with your ACTs, you are telling them that you are ready, and there are many criteria which I have to filter out, selecting the parents also, and that time 1:1 that discussion will be taking place, so that those things we will not discuss in this session. Next question please.
That's it ma'am, those are all the
Okay,
questions.
so thanks a lot for this session. So be ready for the next Q&A. Come up with more questions, more challenges, because when you put the challenge in front of me, when you put that concern in front of me, I am assured that yes, my Arula super mom is working. Okay, it doesn't mean that who are not asking the questions they are not working, but I am telling you, when you work, definitely difficulties are going to come, and we are going to tackle them very easily. Hari Om, Shri Ram, Ambadnya, Natha Samvit, Natha Samvit, Natha Samvit.